Hi everyone, I'm Angus from TECHTRON, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on the TECHTRON app. So to get started, you need to download the app on either iOS or Android, and I recommend running the latest operating system on your smartphone for the best performance. So all TECHTRON e-scooters are compatible with the TECHTRON app. Today we've got three models. We've got the TECHTRON Ultra 5000, the TECHTRON Elite 3500, and the TECHTRON Pro 3500. Another thing you'll need to have is a smartphone that is compatible with Bluetooth. To get started, download the app TECHTRON. For this tutorial, we'll show you how to download it on Android. Go to the Google Play Store and search TECHTRON. Select the app called TECHTRON with the TECHTRON logo. As you can see, I've already installed mine. You can find links to the App Store below in the link description for both Android and iOS. Before you open the app, turn on your TECHTRON electric scooter by holding down the power button. You should hear a bleep and a display should light up. Once it's downloaded, open the app. Select Accept and Continue. If your electric scooter doesn't turn on, it may be out of power and will require charging. Step 3. Turn on Bluetooth. This is so the app can easily pair with the electric scooter. When you open the app, it should automatically search for your TECHTRON electric scooter, and as you can see, it's already paired with my TECHTRON e-scooter. If it hasn't automatically paired, select the Bluetooth device below. You should see a code appear at the bottom of the app. When you tap on it, the TECHTRON control panel will open. On the home page, you can easily view the battery life of your e-scooter and how fast you're going when mobile. Below this display, you can turn on the front light by selecting the light icon. When you tap this, you should hear a bleep and see the front and rear light come on. The settings panel will give you the most control over your TECHTRON e-scooter. Starting at the top, you can select how you view your data. The two options are metric and imperial. After this, you can control the speed limit for each speed mode. I'm currently paired with the TECHTRON Pro 3500, so there's only 2 speed modes. But if you have a TECHTRON Ultra 5000, you will have 3 speed modes. You'll also notice how the TECHTRON Ultra 5000 can go higher than 25 kilometers an hour. Here we have cruise control, but we're not going to talk about that today in this video because we've made a separate video for it. Please go to the comments below or the link description to see that video. By default, all TECHTRON electric scooters will have zero start mode turned off. This is so you don't accidentally move the TECHTRON e-scooter by moving forward by pressing the throttle. If zero start is turned off, you'll need to push off to initiate the motor. If you would rather have your TECHTRON electric scooter move from being static, turn zero start on. Lock mode is a clever feature for protecting your TECHTRON e-scooter from theft. When it's turned on, your TECHTRON electric scooter will be difficult to move. Please note that this doesn't stop someone from picking up a TECHTRON electric scooter, so always ensure your scooter is stored safely. So while lock mode is on, you won't be able to turn off your electric scooter. The connection icon allows you to quickly connect to another TECHTRON e-scooter. The trip info page allows you to see specific metrics on your electric scooter, including total mileage, temperature, and total driving time. So thank you so much for watching our app tutorial on YouTube. Please subscribe for all of our latest content. You can buy a TECHTRON e-scooter now on techtron.co.